Master Faculty at Siddh Institute. Here, these are my students. He is Safil Bora, she is Mubashira, and she is Arfa. They both, the three of, they are very good in English. So here we just communicate on general questions. First of all, I just ask you, Mubashira, who is your favorite cricketer? First of all, do you like cricket?
I don't like cricket.
What is the reason behind it?
I'm not watching any games.
Okay, so you don't like cricket, right? So
I don't interest in cricket.
okay, so do you like any game?
No,
Any single game? Subsidy, Ludo.
yes, I'm like indoor games and
Okay, you like indoor games like
Yes.
snake and ladder and Ludo, etc. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Which is your favorite serial, or maybe you can tell about the movie too?
I would like something Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Reason?
This serial is
Yes.
comedian and
Very funny.
Yeah.
And it's good for the health, right? Yes. Okay. Your favorite food, please tell me.
My favorite food is Chinese food.
In the Chinese, which one dish?
Manchurian.
Manchurian. Do you know how to make Manchurian?
No, I don't know.
Your mom prepare it for you, or just go out of the home and just take? Mostly out of the food or at home food?
Out of the food. Out
You
of
like
the-
it most?
Yes.
Okay, it's a good, but what I say, it's not good for the health. Sometimes we can try to ourselves and make it. It's very easy recipe. You can also Google out, search on YouTube. It's a good, we can make it, right or not? Because we are Indians, right?
because
Yes.
sometimes we don't interested in cooking and
Yes.
we just try. So that's why we can go out and
Yeah,
something
it
new
is the,
dishes.
definitely it is the reason
Yes.
we are not mainly interested in the household cooking. The
Yes.
reason is only when sometimes what is happening with us, in my family, me too, I only like one food. I
Yes.
only like one dish. Then what is the, there is taking so much time to make it, and
Yes.
for me only I prepare, so it is the good better to go and
Yes.
just take out of. It's a definitely good answer. Another one question, which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Reason? Do you really like black color?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Anyone? Black
Black
color?
color.
Yes.
Also some clothes and some things.
Some things it is good as a
some
black
things,
color. Yes.
things. Some things. It just like black color. For example, black color clothes and
Yes.
black color shoes and
Yes.
boots. For
Yes. Mainly what I say, black color we can wear gown.
Yes.
Gown it's looking very very good and precious and very
And
beautiful.
black
Mainly
color-
black colors gown. I like it, black colors
Yes.
gown.
And
But
black
not all
color
the
shoes.
clothes. Yes.
Black color shoes and black color sandals.
Okay. Yes. Yes. For suitable all the clothes.
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Do you like any singer?
No, I don't like singing.
No, not any single one. Okay. Any reason for that?
Not sing.
You are not interested in singing and don't listen to the singing of someone. Okay. Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing and I like songs and rhymes.
Yes.
Sometimes I learn songs.
What I believe on the basis of of singing, if we feel workaholic, if we are depressed, stressed, the psychologists say if you listen to music you feel free. You feel free. You can reduce your stress. Psychologists say these things. So what we believe in this scenario in these days, exercise is good for the health, but also music.
Yes,
with
I like
dance
music and
yes.
many singers are good. For
In
example,
our
Arijit
industry.
Singh and
Yes.
Darshan Rawal.
Do you know any one song of Arijit, Darshan Rawal? One
Yes, I
line?
know, but
If you remember, yes.
but I can't sing a song.
I say speak the line. I don't tell you sing a song. I want just line of your remembering power.
Many songs are my favorite, and I am
Mainly, one
mainly,
single.
not mainly any one, but I am when I am relaxing mood and
Yes.
I am free
Okay.
for my busy schedule, and
Okay.
so I am listening music and
Okay.
many songs
You don't remember any single line for
like single line. I don't remember single line,
Okay.
but Hum Safar and I don't remember.
Okay, it's okay.
This time.
Darshan Rawal's. I also forget one song about Darshan Rawal, but some year ago, maybe 1 or 2 year ago, Darshan Rawal's most favorite song was released before 1 or 2 year ago, and so many public are just hardly like the song of Darshan Rawal. So many girls and boys just Darshan Rawal, उनके ही गाने सुनते थे. We can say simply,
Yes.
right? Okay. Do you like serials?
Yes, I like it.
Sorry?
Yes,
you
I
like
like
it. Speak loudly, please, because I cannot hear. Yes, you like it. Which one serial? Please tell me.
Pandya.
Pandya Store. Main characters, you know?
Yes.
Yes. Please tell me 3 to 4 main characters.
There are
Okay.
Ravi, Siva.
Yes. Okay. Which one personality and which one acting do you like most?
There are
Reason?
because he always
She is.
because
she
he
is
is always
mainly
For her
character.
family,
Nature.
for
Nature.
her family.
Nature is
Nature
very
is
familiar. Help to everyone. Take care about every family member. Dhara. Yes. Dhara. Yes. Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is
2 or 3 lines.
My name is Vimavala Arcade, and I am studying in Siddh Institute, and I am married,
Okay.
and I have one child
Yes.
for 10 months old.
Okay. He's 10 months old.
Yes, he is 10 months old,
Okay.
and
Which languages do you like and you know?
I know Gujarati, Urdu, English, Hindi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you-
but I like most Urdu.
Okay. Can you write Urdu?
Yes, I write.
You know, yes.
Yes.
Okay, it's a good.
And I'm learning in English
Okay.
because I am interested in English, and
Yes.
I'm most like English.
Okay, you want to speak mainly, so that's why you are learning.
Yes.
Because nowadays it's a good for us to learn English. The reason is
Yes.
only one. Whenever you go, now it's a heading and so many main points,
All about
mostly in English.
All about-
Videos, instructions, and so many things. So it is very important for us nowadays, for the main now present generation. Even though we see some elder person also learn
Yes.
the English because they want to speak in English.
Whenever we
Yes.
we
what's very important thing. Yes. So we know the importance of English. That's why we can communicate in English, right? We know what is the value of English speaking and so on
So
things, right?
that's why we learn English and
Yes.
speak English.
Yes, definitely. Okay. Thank you for the communication. Thanks for the great one supporting in the communication. Thanks. Thank you.